Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your AustralianSuper account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device. Go to the URL box at the top and type in AustralianSuper.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will now take you to the official website for AustralianSuper. AustralianSuper is the largest superannuation fund in Australia, headquartered in Melbourne, Victoria. To log into your AustralianSuper account is super easy. Simply go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to the login drop-down. Here you will be able to find many different options to log into your individual accounts. To log into your existing account, simply go ahead and choose the member login option from the pop-up. It'll now take you to the portal where you can log into your account with. In the member login portal, type in your username associated with your AustralianSuper account. Once you type in your username, go to the next field and type in your correct password for the account. If you don't remember your username or your password, get help by clicking on Find your username or change your password options respectively. After filling in the details, click Login and you should be able to log into your AustralianSuper account online in just a few simple steps. And that is how you should be able to log into AustralianSuper in just a few minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.